Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content, and I also do some exercise videos in the morning. I'm not that good at it, but I chat with you. So if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe. Today we're going to, for Vlogmas Day, whatever day this is, we're going to use the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. This is first time I've used it. I did do a little bit of swatch because I started this video and I realized I had not done any eye primer, so I stopped and put that on. Anyway, so what we're going to do instead of eyelashes today is I found this in my stash. It's a mascara. My eyes have been really sore, and so I'm going to try to baby them a little bit, and we're going to use some mascara instead of eyelashes, and just a little bit, not a whole lot. I have no idea if this is any good. It was probably either in ice cream or it was in Ipsy. I'm not sure which one. And I was going to give it to the grand girls, but I pulled it out of the stash and used it instead. And I do have some more mascara coming, more name brand, Maybelline or something, but it won't be until Friday, because at the time I thought, oh, there's no rush, but my eyes is really sore today. I don't know what it's from. I think it's from eyelash adhesive, and I've switched brands and stuff, but maybe I just need to give them a chance to recover. You can see it's kind of red on that top line, and that's probably what's going on. Anyway, so we're just going to let them rest some. So we're going to start off with how about looks like we can do peach here or more of a neutral here. Although there's a peach, the colors are just sort of all jumped around. Let's start off with the transition crease area, this light brown here. So let's try that. And my primer should be dry by now because I talked for a little bit. No, but my eyes have been sore, and it could be that I'm just doing so much rubbing, you know, trying to get the makeup on and different, just perfect like that. And then getting the adhesive off at night, that's a lot more work. I have to use micellar water, and then I use Pond's for sensitive, and then I use some kind of gentle soap. Maybe it's the Pond's. Maybe I need to stop using that for a while and see what's going on. Maybe it's some micellar water. I'm using it for waterproof. If y'all know anything, let me know. So we're going to take, not the really dark brown. We'll use that for something else. Let's take this kind of in the middle brown. It's sort of dark, but not too much. So it could just be a lot of stuff. I'm sure maybe we'll figure it out whenever I have my eye surgery, because I won't be doing much of anything eye makeup wise for a week or so. But they just probably just need a little chance to heal. Now we want some little shiny. This is a pretty color right here. It looks like it's got a shimmer to it. And then we've got some other shimmers too. Let's swatch these two. They're super similar. One's just a tad darker than the other. So I'm going to find me a flat brush, and we're going to take the darkest of it and put it on the outside of the eye. And you can tell I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time to use this palette. We could put this over the whole lid, but I think I'm going to put it over half the lid and do the lighter shade over the other half. So we're going to do the outer half. And like even putting eyeshadow on, my eyes are sore. And they've been that way a while, but it seems like they was today just tipped me over the edge. I thought, enough. They were sore Sunday too, but I did 2 makeup looks in one day. So that's probably what that was about. And they may be just still irritated from that. So now we're going to do this middle shade right here that's a little bit lighter shade, but still a shimmer on the inner eye. Okay, it doesn't have a whole lot of color. It's pretty. But a lot of times, whenever I'm looking in this mirror, it looks different than whenever I go edit the movie or put them all to clips together. I don't do that much editing anymore. And yeah, then it could just be my eyes are sore from Sunday doing 2 looks in one day. So, we got on the outer, we had this dark. Shimmer. And then let's see. We will just stick with what we started. And then on the inner, we did this middle shimmer. We had several shimmers to choose from. Yeah, I think this looks a little bit better using the finger. Now then, so let's take a smaller brush and let's brighten up the outer corner a little bit. We did this outer corner. Right now I'm just sort of blending. Where's another blending brush? I think this is the one we used. We'll go back with this one. I think is the one we used for the crease. So I'm not going to look as cute today without my lashes. Or some people may disagree. They may think you look better without all those glasses, without those lashes. Now let's take this dark shade and let's darken up the outer corner, the outer V just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a gel liner for under the eye. A dark brown here. So before we say, okay, we're done, I want to V this outer edge out a little bit more. Just with the brush. I haven't put anything more on it. And we can take that little highlighter pen brush that we had that I don't know what I've done with, or we can grab another brush. And let's take that dark brown and just tap it through the or hopefully this is not gonna drift down on my other face. We're gonna put a little on top of that gel liner at the outer edge. Okay, so before we quit, I'm a little apprehensive about doing this, but we are. I don't think it was the liner that was the problem. I don't know what it was. I just think I've been doing too much with my eyes. We're going to go ahead and use a little bit of brown liner on the top of the line. We could use black. Let's use brown. And my eyelids are kind of puffy. So, I don't know. They're just wore out. I think if I went to the doctor, they'd tell you quit wearing makeup. Can y'all see the brown? How about, since that's so light, let's go ahead and help it out with a little bit of black. That looks better. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up with some tinted sunscreen and powder, and the mascara, and I will come back with the finished look. For blush, I'm probably going to use some bronzer, but I'll decide. Probably this that I kept in the FC box. So anyway, I'll be back in just a minute. Bye-bye. I'm back, and this is the finished look from the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. And we didn't get to use lashes today because my eyes are sore, and I'm thinking it could be from the lashes. It could be from the adhesive. It could be from the lashes themselves. You know, I buy those cheap lashes, probably coming from China. But anyway, so we're just using mascara today. This off brand that came in a box, because that's all I had. And we used bronzer instead of blush. And then I just used the tan lip liner and some orangish lip balm. And I did use some setting spray, the ColourPop. I tried to stay away from my eyes. And so, how do you like it? I don't think we're going to do 2 looks with this. I think the next video, we're going to go back to the movie themes. I've got a few more palettes for us to do. And y'all have a great day. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.